Okay, so we're gonna go and do the back ones. We got one pin here, and then we got the other pin here. You gotta put this side first because of these clips, they go on the other side. Okay, so you want this one on it first. So you go ahead and put the back side, clip it in, clip the front one. Make sure this here gets all the way down. Okay, so it's flush. And that's it. And we're gonna go and do the other side. So we got this other side now. We already got that side. You just gotta slide it down. And we got the clips here. You can see you got these indentations here that you gotta go in there first. Okay, and then clip it. Okay, that was one solid union. Then you clip it here in the front, clip the back. Again, you make sure this is flush in the bottom. And that's it. All done.